Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope all you are fine at home and doing your study. And today I will take a class on WS question. Okay, the new thing that are going to learn. So we have to be very cautious, very careful about learning this because this chapter is very much new, and also you need very much practice, very much concentration to understand this chapter. Okay, so what is the first thing is topic WS questions, and we will learn two steps for doing WS questions. The class will be divided on two parts. Today we will learn the part 1. What? We will learn part 1, and in the next class we will do part 2 or the last part. Okay, today's part is mainly based on the rules and regulations, the process, how we can do that, and in the next part will be live examples, okay, and problem solving. Clear? So today, first, why this chapter is different? This chapter is different because we always have learned that we will answer the question. There will be question, we will answer the question. But for the first time, this chapter includes what the answer will be given, you have to make the question. Clear? So to do the question, we need to know some definite things and some important rules. Okay, so প্রথমেই আমি একটু for your better understanding this part I will conduct in Bangla. Okay, so প্রথমেই আমাদের জানতে হবে যে কি দিয়ে আমরা প্রশ্নগুলো করতে পারি। ঠিক আছে, প্রশ্ন করার জন্য আমাদের কি কি জিনিস দরকার। প্রথমতই এই চ্যাপ্টারের নাম হচ্ছে WS কোয়েশ্চেনস, এই জন্য আমাদের কি দরকার, ডাব্লিউ এবং এইচ দিয়ে যে কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো করা যায়, যে ইন্টারোগেটিভ প্রোনাউনগুলো আমাদের আছে সেগুলো সম্পর্কে জানতে হবে। সেটা কিভাবে? যেমন হোয়াট কি, ওয়েন কখন, ওয়্যার কোথায়, ওয়াই কেন, হু কে, হোম কাকে, হুজ কার, হাউ কিভাবে। এখানে ডাব্লু দিয়ে 7টা আছে, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, এইচ দিয়ে একটা আছে। এই 8টাই আমাদের ম্যাক্সিমাম টাইম ব্যবহৃত হয়। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমরা আবার দেখব কি আছে, হোয়াট কি, ওয়েন কখন, ওয়্যার কোথায়, ওয়াই কেন, হু কে, হোম কাকে, হুজ কার, হাউ কিভাবে। After knowing these 8 WAs, okay, that are very much important, after knowing this we have to know the rest of the part. Okay, the rules. What are the rules? Steps for doing WS questions. First, you have to choose the interrogative pronoun WS according to the meaning of the given sentence. Clear? According to the meaning of the given sentence. That means first, whenever you are getting the sentence, then you have to select which WS question you need. Either it is what, or it is which, or something else. And here I have I think that one is dropped down, that is which. Which, so you can you should also enlist this which, konti, that is also included in this list. So you have to select the WS. Okay, for example, a sentence is given, he is making a craft. He is making a craft. An underlined word is a craft. So what should we do? We should target the craft. That means the craft এটা ইয়ে দ্বারায় কি, then we will select what. We will select what. After selecting this, okay, that is the first thing. Then number 2, then you have to pick up the auxiliary or helping verb from the given sentence as per the tense of the sentence. Very much important, very much important, because in that case the students very often, okay, becomes confused and create problem of identifying, selecting or writing the correct helping verb. Clear? So who are these? We know that the most common auxiliary verb or helping verb that works for us is am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, shall, will. Okay, they are most common and we use them frequently. So keep in your mind that these, but if they are not available in the sentence, what will you do? You have to confirm the tense of the sentence. For example, I went to school. I went to school. Here, where is the helping verb? There is no am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, whatever, nothing. Okay. They catch fish in the river. Here is also missing. Remember, in two tense, there is no direct auxiliary verb in case of affirmative sentence. What are they? They are present indefinite tense and past indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense and past indefinite tense. So what will you do? In that case, you will take from other side, outside, the help of auxiliary verb. In case of present indefinite tense, there will be do or does. In case of past indefinite tense, that will be did. In case of present indefinite tense, this will be do or does. In case of past indefinite tense, that will be did. Clear? So that problem also solved. Listen, here I have written, if the question is done by who, there is no need of helping verb. Very important issue. If there is 8W1H, okay, among this 9, if you make the question with who, then there is no need of auxiliary verb. But remember, if the auxiliary verb is playing the role as the main verb inside the sentence, then it must have to come. Clear? But you don't need to borrow, or you don't need to take any extra helping verb from other side. Okay? Okay. So that is number 2. Number 3, finally, write the rest of the sentence without the underlined part. Write the rest of the sentence without the underlined part. That means, what will you do? You first take the WH, after that you take the auxiliary verb, after that you will write the rest of the sentence, but never write the underlined part of the sentence, because what question you are making, the underlined part of the sentence is the answer of that question. So answer should not become inside the question. That's why you must not write the underlined part. Okay? And number 4, if the subject of the given sentence is first person I or we, it will be second person you in the question. Very much important. For example, okay, my name is Ferdaus, okay, but my name, that is first person possessive. Clear? So you can also include here my, I, we, okay, my, then our, you can also include that. So if these are the beginning of the question or the subject of the question, then you, in case of making the question, you must have to take you. For example, my name is Ferdaus, okay, but if somebody asks me, what will he ask? He asks that what is your name? What is your name? My has turned into your. My has turned into your. Clear? So in case of first person, for making the question, it must be, it will must to uh, turn to second person. Clear? So if you can have these four rules in your mind, you never will mistake in case of WS question. Please watch the board and try to copy the rules within 2 minutes. So dear students, hope you understand and you have copied the steps of the of this chapter, the rules of this chapter, and in the next class we will practice examples with the reference of these four rules. So who have completed these four rules, you must inform me in the comment box so that I could understand, yes, you have done it. Clear? That is your homework. You done it, and after that we will do the examples in the next class. Thank you and goodbye.